Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make very simple, easy and very quick Christmas cards. They are navy. I have used my Silent Night digital kit. Those Christmas cards, again, you make them in less than 10 minutes each. You just need a couple of stamps, a punch or some dies, nothing much. Before we crack on and I leave it with today's tutorial, just a little Christmas joke. How do you call an elf that can sing and dance? Elfies. Okay guys, before we crack on with today's project, I got some happy mail to share. So I received a lovely postcard from the lovely Charlotte. I'm just going to cover my address. I love it, absolutely love it, Charlotte. And funny enough, there is a city in the UK, it's called Lincoln as well. So yeah, thank you so much for sending this, really thoughtful of you. And then I got a little parcel from Brenda Clark. Brenda has an amazing YouTube channel, fairly new on YouTube. She's part of my creative squad, so she is part of the gang, part of me gang. No, honestly, she's a very talented lady. She's got an amazing YouTube channel, and I'll put her channel down below. Please go and show Brenda some love and support. I only opened the package, but I'm not literally opened the envelope, but I've not opened anything. So the first thing I can see, there is a letter. So I love the envelope. Oh wow, thank you for all you do. Ah, oh, thank you. I'm not going to read it because I do like to keep these sort of messages private. But thank you, Brenda. You are extremely sweet, kind, and very thoughtful. Thank you. Thank you. And I can see some lovely cards. Let me move these away. So I've got 3 cards. Fearless, independent and original, be kind to yourself and you radiate beauty. I love it, but I don't know what you can see. It looks like there's painted papers with some gold accents. I love it, absolutely love them. I love the texture of the paper. Very nice. Thank you, Brenda. Very nice. Let me move these in there. And then there's this little package. I am obsessed with newspaper or like all proper vintage magazines, so I will, oh wow, so I will definitely save this page. Love it. Wow. July 1960. Yes, I got a collection, so that will go in there happily. Thank you. She didn't know this, but I do have a collection of vintage newspaper and magazines. Yeah, it's my thing. So, but I love these little pocket letters. Oh wow. So let me do one by one. I should do more pocket letters really. Oh wow, look at that, look at that attention to detail. Steam Old Dolls, some tags. Oh, I love the back as well. Look at the little fish. Love it. And what we got in here? We've got some die cut butterflies. Very handy. Then we got some... Oh, I might use this soon because I've got a project in mind. They will work perfectly. It's a little fox. I love this prints. It's 2 foxes. Oh wow, it smells amazing. And it's got this really detailed cards, little prints. Okay, so that I'm just gonna put in there and then I'll tidy up in a minute. Then we got pocket number 2. We got another of these pins, another Tim Holtz dolls. Love it. Love the tag. I love this fish. I love this paper. What paper is this, Brenda, please? Because it's got a really nice shiny texture. I dropped something. Lovely vintage floral botanical element. More of this vellum. Really nice. These are very handy. We got a couple of advertisements, vintage advertisements. Another botanical little card. And I love this ATC. Love it. Oh, there is another pins in there. Stuck in there. There you go. Really, really nice. And pocket number 3, we got another pin. Look at the texture, look at the layering, look at the details. We got this cheesecloth, I think. A little gentleman with a dog, and it looks like a book page. I'm really curious to see what this is. I love the texture of it. Gorgeous, gorgeous card. Then we've got some more. Oh, I think this is the Tim Holtz, the die cuts, I think. Thank you. Love it. Look at that. Do you know what would be nice if we do like a little collage with all these pieces? Really, really nice. There's another sticker. Gorgeous. And then we got a stamp. Another stamp. Love it. And a what it looks like a ticket. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Brenda, for thinking about me and sending me all these amazing goodies. And thank you, Charlotte, for your amazing postcard and also for your love and support. Right, okay, so mess everywhere. It's okay. That's part of the game. So let me show you what I did. So, oh, there it was. Couldn't find it. So I had a little play with the Perfectly Plaid. It's a stamp set from Stampin' Up. It's one of my favorite for Christmas, and I have the matching punch. I got this off eBay. Little disclaimer, I do love Stampin' Up. I do not love their prices. So sometimes I cannot justify the expense, how expensive the price is. Sometimes I can. So yeah. So for things like this, I got second hands on eBay. I don't care. They're perfect condition, so I'm happy with that. So I have created some of these trees. I had a little play and I layered them. I have used the Hobbing-Craft, what color is this? Metallic blue, and the Memento, the nautical blue. So I had a little play with both. This has got to be a sheer. It's glittery blue. Because I'm going to play with the my Silent Night kit. Talking about price, yes, this is a nice price. It's the Stampin' Up scrub. I use it every time I play with stamp. I use this. So you spray with water and then you dry here. This is worth the money, absolutely. Really, really recommend it. And also I think the stamping blocks, they are worth the money from Stampin' Up, absolutely. I've got the caddy here, so I've got all the sizes. So let me just put this back. Yeah, this is something that you really want to invest, because the quality of these stamping blocks are just amazing. Not sponsored, everything paid with my money or gifted by my lovely husband for like birthdays or Christmases, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some Christmas cards and I'm going to play with my Silent Night digital kit. So it's a blue kit, and that's why I want to keep it all blue. And I'm going to use some of these sentences from the stamp set. Hoping that your busy year comes together in Christmas cheer. North Pole delivery. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. The mighty special season be wrapped in love and joy. So definitely going to use that. And I'm going to use this as a background for my cards. In this kit, this is a very, very versatile kit, because you've got a couple of backgrounds. So you've got this amazing blue and black tartan. This one here, another tartan, but like small scale, and I don't really know what you can see, but there are some this red and purpley lines. Then you've got a page with all paper bows, and I think trying to reduce plastic, you're probably better off printing this and putting your gift rather than that tacky light version of it. I hate these sort of ribbons, I don't like them, but I prefer the paper version. And so I made some. Then you got a page with the tags I have created. Again, everything matches, so it's all blue. Of course, a couple of boxes for your advent calendars or your little treat boxes. If you do like a blue table for Christmas, you can put your favorite boxes in there, and I think they look quite cute. And also the bows match, is the perfect size to go on top of the cubes, of your little cubes boxes. Then of course it wouldn't be me without a pillow box, and I left it really plain so you guys can decorate it with what you want. And you can see all this, the fold lines in there, so it's easy. Couple of vintage postcards, a little card. Again, this is the, if you guys make your own advent calendars, so I give you all the numbers that matches all these colors. And you've got a plain version in case you guys want to use like die cut numbers, or you can use this as a stickers if you print them on sticker page. It's totally up to you, but I thought they look quite cute. So it's all numbered from 1 to 25 and the plain version, and I'm going to play with these. So they are 4 cards. I'm going to cut them and then put on my card space. I'm not sure if I've got any blue cardstock, I need to go and check. And then I'm going to layer them with these. But yeah, I'm not going to show the process because it's quite easy. But this was really fun because it was the first time I used this stamp set. I bought it a couple of months ago. So keep an eye on eBay, because eBay is amazing to get Stampin' Up, or to be fair, any second-hand craft suppliers. And I thought, and the reason why I picked this one, because this tree here has got some tartan or plaid, and I thought it would look quite nice with my blue one. Yes, and I think, let me see, because I want to do a group of 3. Let me see if it goes with this one as well, because that's what I had in my mind. Hey, go in. Why are you not going in? Stay there. So yeah, perfect. Yes, so I'm going to do a layering of these 3s. Yeah, right. I'll be right back. Okay, so let me show you the final cards. As predicted, I didn't have navy cardstock, so this blue, unfortunately I had to pick this one. I don't dislike it. I would have preferred if it was slightly darker, probably like a navy blue rather than a blue, if it makes sense. But I'm happy overall. It's just, yeah, if it was this color, I would have preferred. But never mind, we use what we have. That's the rule. So North Pole delivery, because I thought this sentiment will kind of blends nice with Santa and the reindeers. And I'll just put a little tree there because I think it's all about the paper. So I just want to that to be the center of the attention. Then this is probably my favorite one because you've got the tinsels on the background, and I'll put like 1, 2, 3, 6 trees. No, 7 trees. In fact, there are these people that come up with these rules. Apparently that everything on cards got to be odd numbers, so 7 there is. So I've done with 5. I'm trying to put it with 5 first, and I was like, no, it's not full enough, so I put 7. What do you guys think? It's one of my favorite. Might this special season be wrapped in love and joy? Absolutely. So yeah, I love the tinsel on the background. And again, it's the reason why I picked the trees again, because you've got the tinsels on the tree, so it's all kind of like makes sense all together. This one, very simple, very minimalistic, and I left it on purpose for some of you that don't like things that are too busy. Just an option that you can make cards literally with just a few stamps and some cardstock. And last but not least, my second favorite, is this one here, and I found, what is it, this blue glitter cardstock. So I thought, ooh, yes, let's use it. So yeah, so you've got the bubbles on the background, and then any sparkle. I don't know what you can see, but it does sparkle in real life. Okay, as usual guys, I will put the link of the kits down below if you wish to purchase it. Answer your question about Black Friday. I have a few messages about it. Yes, there will be on offer on my website on Black Friday. We'll start on Friday, we'll finish on Sunday, so it will be only for the weekend, 3 days only, and it's all going to be on the newsletter. So on Friday evening at 9 p.m. British time, I will send out the newsletter. So if you guys want to get the code, you've got to sign up today. So no spam. I don't have time to spam all of you. 1 email every Friday, occasionally 2 if I got a new release, but 1 email a week with some weekly news, special offers, and a freebie. So yeah, check out the email that's going to come out on Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a navy blue thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, guys, and I hope you like what I made. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well.